Hello friends, welcome to Sql Server tutorial. In this video, we will see how row number function works. So the row number is not actually a ranking function, but some people will use it to know the ranking by means of sorting. So let us look at the query first to know how row number is used. So here we make a select statement, select row number. So that's the function call we are making. Here we are using the over by class, order by net sales. So here we should have named it differently, but this is actually a column name, and this one is the view which we created in the previous video. Here it is view, and here it is a specific column on that view. So select row number over order by net sales as serial number. So this is the alias name we are giving. So the row number over class appears first. After that, we are picking all the columns. So here we are using the view from net sales. So view is what we created in the previous video. The query uses window. Window means a data subset, and data subset is created on the net sales column of the view net sales. By default, the order is in ascending order. Here if you look at order by net sales, here we doesn't specify order, so by default it takes ascending order just by order by class, which we use in the query. Here we use order by class in the over class of windowing. So by default the order is in. So the order is in ascending order in the above query, but we can change it by placing the DESC keyword in the over class. So if you want to make a change, it will be like select row underscore number over order by net sales space DESC. So that way you can change the default sorting order. So you can change it as a descending order using that keyword. So executing this above query will produce the result as shown here. Here in this query, the screenshot shows you first 9 records, order numbers 11038. So that's here 11038. This is one order number, we take it for example. Then the order number 11077, this is the second order number. Made same net sales. So if you see here 14 and 14, our windowing class, row number over order by net sales, right? So this is what we are using, but the net sales is the same here for both these order numbers 11038 and 11077. And if you look at here, the row number is going on sequentially 7 and 8. So even though we are ordering it, so the row number will not tell you the correct ranking. So up to this, if you see, you have a correct ranking, but we have different ranking even if we have same sales. So that's why the row number is not actually for ranking. So somehow you will get approximate ranking even though these two rows have the same value on net sales. All right. So then what is the purpose of row number? So for these two rows 7 and 8, except the order ID. If you look at these two are the order ID, all column have same value. You can see that here, philo mix, this is also philo mix, and category name is the same, price also same. What is differing here is the order ID. So all columns have same value. Even if these order ID also have same value, we can call this as duplicate records. So forget about serial number which we introduced here, but the actual view contains same records or duplicate records if these two order number matches, right? All other columns are matching here, so we can see these two are two different records since order ID is changing. So if order ID also same, then this is called a duplicate record. Row number is a quick way to find ranking over, to find the ranking even though it is not a ranking function. So we can say that since we have a default sorting ascending order, we can say this is the low rank. So the top row is low rank, or we can say the ranking goes like this, low to high on net sales. Even though there are some duplicates, we can say this is the ranking, and here rank 7 and rank 8 both are same even though they are different rank number. But definitely this 7 and 8 is somewhat higher than the previous ranks and lower than the next coming rank, so that way you can tell approximate rank by row number. But the main purpose of row number is to delete duplicate records. So row number is useful to delete duplicate records. Think that we don't have order ID here. So if we don't have order ID here, so we can see that these two are duplicate record. So we cannot use the column to delete the duplicate. Why? Because both will get deleted. So using row number, if we use where condition with this row number, say row number 8, if we want to delete, then it will delete only the specific row and the other duplicate exist. Alright, now it's demo time. We will go to the demo. So here we have SQL Server Management Studio. I'm opening the new query and moving it to Northwind database. So here we have net sales of our product. So net sales is actually a view. Now we will use the row number function on this view. So select row number, and here we are using the over by class. So over, and inside the over we are giving the windowing specification. So we call this order as windowing. Why? Because we should not get confused with the order by that we will give with the query itself here. So this order by is to perform ranking and other sorting. Select row number over net sales. So order by net sales. So that means first we are sorting it, then we are applying the ranking function, and we set alias name for the ranking class, comma star. So that means all the columns in the net sales, but first row is actually the first column is the row number, and we set a alias name as SL number. So row number over net sales with a default ascending order. Alright, so that's what you are going to see now. Here if you see, it's in unordered list, right? Now if I execute it, we will see a serial number is shown here. Also, in the net sales, we have a sorting. So as already told, here we have same net sales, but serial numbers run sequentially 7 and 8. This is row number, and if this order ID doesn't exist, then using row number we can delete the records. Or if we have same order number by mistake, instead of 11038, if we have 11077, then this will be considered as a duplicate record, and row number will help in deleting the one of the row, thereby avoiding the duplicate. So here is one more. Okay, here is one more example, 18. There are two records with the same serial number, right? So row number is one way to approximately know the ranking of the net sales. And if you come down, so there is rank 2155 for the highest sale. Here we kept ranking like this, but if you want ranking, if you want to give a first rank for highest sales, then you can put DESC here. But remember, this is actually not a ranking function. This is just a row number. In a quick way, we are just checking which one, which category and product name or which specific order ID got the highest sales. There are two product, order ID that is qualifying the top 2 rank. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.